My talk was about the mandate for 20 from the European Commission, which is about the accessibility and usability of the built environment. And it is considered as a strategic issue by the European Commission to improve standards as tool on this issue, accessibility with design for all approach actually, which is including the most population as possible, expressing their needs and expectations, and give functional requirements first to help architects, ergonomists, facility manager, everyone who are involved in designing. Actually, this mandate is now in phase 2, because phase 1 started in 2008. There has been call of experts for phase 1 and for phase 2, and 11 expert workers already have founded a lot of documents and research standards as background to help us for developing these standards finally, which is decided to be a standards helping public procurers. So it doesn't contain measures at this stage, but just functional requirements without measure, but including all the elements of the built environment. So it contains 15 main clauses, and then more 5 on specific buildings. And the key issue is about users, diversity of users, and design involvement on this. And in this second phase, there are 6 experts, including me, Delphine from Spain, Monica Klenovic as TC leader from Austria, and then Katerina Papamikael from Greece, and then Soren Ginero from Denmark, and Carol Thomas from UK. And we draft already 3 versions of this standard. It is a very long process, involving all the miracle meeting around Europe. And we work on all the comments received. There are so many. But now we are redrafting the last version before the formal vote. So we are drafting the 4th version. And then we are already starting to work on TR1, which will contain the technical requirements with measures. So for each requirement we already have in our EN, there will be some suggestion with technical specification. And then there will be another technical report, TR2, on some documents to help for assessment of this. Yes, I think it is very important, because I think our vision is a transversal vision, because we include all elements of the built environment in our standards, but then we have to focus on each element. And this is one, slip, trips and falls are very important to prevent injury. And to know what kind of data we have to put as example, mostly, in our Tier 1. And this is a work, because there is so much to know about this issue. It is not just about materials for floor materials, but also we talk in this conference about stairs, how dangerous they can be, what can be their requirements also to prevent slips, trips and falls that are another issue very important. So I think it is very important to participate at this kind of conference.